Hello everyone. The quality of soldering directly depends on which soldering iron tip is used. If it has already worn out or was made of low-quality material, then it already turns out not soldering, but continuous torment. What should be done in this case? You can go quite a logical way and buy a new sting. But I want to offer another option in this video. The soldering iron tip can be restored. Moreover, absolutely no costs will be required for this, and the final result may even be better than it was in its original form. The soldering iron tip that I used has fallen into disrepair. It became impossible for them to collect tin, neither cleaning nor various fluxes helped, and it became almost impossible for them to work. It was difficult to solder this capacitor. Well, it will definitely not work to solder it back qualitatively. Of course, you can also use this option when you need to add tin to the soldering place. But it's not always convenient, and personally I like to carry the tin on the soldering iron tip. Therefore, it's time to make this useless sting very useful at the moment. I want to restore this sting with the help of such a copper wire. Its diameter is 2.4 millimeters. Now I'm going to drill a hole in this stinger so that the wire can be tightly fixed in it. But first you need to remove all unnecessary. I cut off the extra part, and it turned out to be such a blank. Now you can drill a hole in it. At the beginning, I will drill a hole with a drill with a diameter of 1.5 millimeters. So that it is easier to center it, and then I use a drill bit with a diameter of 2.4 millimeters. When drilling, you need to be very careful not to get injured, and it is even better to hold the workpiece with pliers. As a result, we got such a blank. And now you can fix the copper wire here. Well, the sting is ready. It remains only to give it the desired shape. As a result, it turned out that such a sting. It looks good, and now we will check it in operation. The soldering iron tip restored in this way is very convenient. Soldering takes place quickly and efficiently. In addition, such a sting, if necessary, can be quickly restored by replacing the copper insert. This concludes this video. If you liked it, if you liked this option of restoring the soldering iron tip, then do not forget to subscribe to the InvexLab channel. Also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss the next videos on my channel. I thank you for watching and bye.